I have an unboxing. I just got it today and I couldn't wait to open it up. So today I will just do the unboxing and you can learn more about this bag later. I have a whole story behind this bag. I ordered her on February 16th, and to make a long story short, she did not come. I had to call COACH and they ended up expressing me a replacement. Here is the receipt. And let's see what we have here. My long-awaited bag. And I was so happy because she was one of the last bags of its kind, and I didn't think I would actually get her when I placed the order. I was equally disappointed when there was problems with the order. So I was very excited to learn that the representative was able to order me another one. However, Houston, we do have a problem because this is supposed to be the Highline Tote with the red heart on front. And this one, as you can see, does not have the red heart. So I did get a bag. It's just not the one that I ordered. So I got all excited. This particular bag is the, it says Highline Tote. Not sure if you can see that. It just doesn't have the heart on the front because I bought it during Valentine's Day. So a little disappointed about that. And she might be going back because that's what made her special. Thank you for watching.